How to use top health insurance providers properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Top health insurance providers offer reliability and broad networks, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce value and increase costs. The surprising truth is that even a well-known provider can be misused if you don't know what to look for. The first mistake is assuming all plans are the same. Top providers offer a range of plans with different premiums, deductibles, and coverage options. Compare details carefully rather than picking a plan based solely on the company name. Another common error is ignoring network restrictions. Even leading insurers may exclude certain doctors, clinics, or specialists from specific plans. Always verify that your preferred providers are included. Many users focus only on premiums. While affordability matters, high deductibles or limited coverage can lead to major out-of-pocket expenses. Look at total costs and benefit structures. A surprising mistake is not exploring discounts. Top providers often offer wellness programs, multi-policy bundles, or employer-linked benefits. Missing these can cost hundreds each year. Finally, beginners sometimes skip reading the fine print. Policy exclusions, claim procedures, and preventive care rules differ among top providers. Understanding these details prevents surprises when filing claims. To properly use top health insurance providers, compare plan options carefully, verify provider networks, consider total costs, check available discounts, and review all policy details. Doing this ensures you get strong coverage, real savings, and peace of mind.